lifted the monument in her monumental arms. She was the mother superior with her carry-on luggage charms. She was this androgynous, powder-nosed girl next door. She had eaten her dog and she was back for more. Back for more. Back for more. Oh, she was back for more. Some more. Yes, please, some more. Her gym teacher thought himself a sweat sock demigod, and her geraniums thought themselves an alien pod. Her front porch gave way beneath her classified weight, and when an ambulance came, they said it's much too late. Oh, it's much too late. Oh, it's much too late. Oh, it's much too late. How late? Very late. Too late. Now the people of New Guinea and the people of LA have been pen pals for years, 'cause they both hate ballet. Only the pandas and bears have made a clean getaway. But the news bulletin claims it's gonna be okay. Now Miss Lucy had a sweatshop where the immigrants worked. Problem was they all turned to pumpkins at the 12 o'clock stroke. Promptly confiscated by police. Precinct number X. That was when alien geraniums demanded the facts. No violence, of course. No violence, of course. Hey, no violence, of course. Of course. Why, yes. Of course. I mean, of course. Why, yes. Of course. Here the star gets hazy and her hair gets too long, and the TV gets quiet as we hear a real bad song. The mothers get whiskey and the girlfriends get tongue, and there's a back of a truck selling smoke-free lungs, and there's a back of a truck selling alien pods, and there's a back of a truck selling game show hosts, and there's a back of a truck selling the souls of the dead, and there's a back of a truck selling crumb-free bread. This is New York. Now there's a back of a truck selling the back of a car, and there's a back of a car selling roadway maps, and there are roadway maps selling the back of a head. Hey, how much for that back of a head, man? Hey, wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's in my back of a head. Hey, you can't sell that, man. That's my back of a head. Hey, sell it back to me, man. Sell it back to me. Hey, it's my. She lifted the monument in her monumental arms. She was the mother superior with her carry-on luggage charms. She was this androgynous, powder-nosed girl next door. She had eaten her dog and she was back for more. She had eaten her dog, D-O-W-G. She had eaten her dog, she had eaten her, eaten her. was a husband who drove his wife home drunk from the parties. He was a husband who drove his wife home. And in a car he would lean her head gently against the side door window. And in a bathroom he would hold her hair back and hold, saying, oh, they build buildings, 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 oh, they build buildings so tall these days. And in the morning she'd wake up and crouch recollections all day, but she would always, always wake up the next morning. He'd take one look at her and say, oh, oh, it's okay. And her conscience would issue yet another last warning, saying, oh, they build buildings, 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 oh, they build buildings so tall these days. And she would ask for time, and she'd ask for time, and she'd ask for time, and she'd ask for time, and she would beg for time, and she'd beg for time, and call it a gift. And he would give her time, and he'd give her time, and he'd give her time, and he'd give her time. But time is not giving him time, it's not taking it, just sifts through it, sift. But time is not giving him time, it's not taking it, just sifts through it, sift. Sifts through it, sift. Just sifts through it, sift. Oh, sifts through it, sift. Just sifts through it, sift. Would be coffee and coffee and coffee and coffee and coffee and coffee some more. He'd go to work and she'd take a sick day and rot at the core. And by the time he came back, she'd scrub the bathrooms and make them smell like pine. It would be almost as if nothing had happened, and he'd give her time